Understanding drones in harmony. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, drones in harmony. This expression is not just about flying gadgets but carries a deeper significance. Whether you're learning English or just curious about interesting phrases, this video will help you understand and use the phrase in your conversations. So, let's dive in and discover the harmony among drones. Drones in harmony combines two key words, drones and harmony. Drones, in the most common sense, refer to unmanned aircraft or flying devices controlled remotely. Harmony, on the other hand, signifies a state of agreement, peace, or working together in a pleasing way. When we put these words together, the phrase metaphorically speaks to different elements working together smoothly and efficiently, like a well-conducted orchestra. The phrase, drones in harmony, can symbolize teamwork, collaboration, and unity. It suggests that just as drones can fly in a coordinated manner without crashing into each other, people or components of a system can work together seamlessly towards a common goal. This metaphor can be applied in various contexts, from technology and business to personal relationships and societal cooperation. You might use drones in harmony to describe a situation where different parts of a project come together perfectly. For example, in a team project, if everyone's contribution fits together well, creating a successful outcome, one might say, "Our project was like drones in harmony." It's a creative way to highlight efficiency, coordination, and the beauty of working together. This phrase also invites us to think about the importance of communication and coordination in achieving harmony. Whether it's drones flying in the sky or people working on a common project, the underlying principles of understanding, respect, and shared objectives are crucial. Drones in harmony can serve as a reminder of these values in both professional and personal contexts. We hope this video has helped you understand the beautiful phrase, drones in harmony, and inspired you to think about the importance of working together in peace and cooperation. Remember, it's not just about individual parts doing their job but how they come together to create something truly remarkable. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.